In with a bad fuel pump. But while we're waiting for the part for the pump, I did all my brakes. I changed the speed sensor that I should have fixed a long time ago, but it was easier here now that everything's apart. Changed the belt with the tensioner, which that will likely go soon. Like I said, all the brakes. Greased up all my bearings. I'm going to change my ball joint. My center ball joint is the only one that's bad. And the only thing we still have left is take the tank down to put the brand new fuel pump right there, which now my sending unit will work, so I'll see how much gas I have instead of using how many miles, my trip counter for gas. What else did I leave out? Did I leave anything out? Oh yeah, I gotta tighten this right here. This was loose. It was giving me a shake and it was eating my tire. I thought it was the bearing, but the bearing was just needed greasing. It wasn't bad. So let me do that now. Hopefully I'll be on the road today again. I'm sorry guys with whoever I couldn't complete my service with.